keep the season, but today
Tatyanna Clark is a member of Brainfood, a nonprofit organization that teaches high school students how to cook and gives them the opportunity to share their new skills with different community partners.
Some things that I've done in the community through Brainfood is teaching workshops to people of all ages, all backgrounds, giving presentations and cooking demos, teaching people about healthy foods.
How much salt does it call for?
Brainfood has taught Tatyanna that food is uniquely capable of bringing people together.
It doesn't matter if you can't cook, it doesn't matter if you're the best cook in the world, it's just a matter of getting people to come together.
Ryan Williams also participated in Brainfood as a high school student. For him, Brainfood has proven to be a real launching pad for a serious culinary career.
I was at a crossroads trying to decide if I wanted to take the traditional route or going to like a regular 4-year college. Being in Brainfood every Tuesday and Thursday, like being around food in the kitchen with people, it just made me make that decision of going to culinary school.
Culinary school and his work at Brainfood has prepared Ryan for his next venture, a restaurant by Union Market called the Village Cafe. Ryan and his partners eventually hope to expand the village to Anacostia, where Ryan is from.
Like I always had these ideas of what's the next big thing or what can I do next to help DC because I love this city so much. Brainfood gave me that confidence to try to fly.
For PBS NewsHour, Student Reporting Labs, I'm Jaylah in Washington, D.C.